This is a demo of the seller side of the marketplace. So when the seller logs in, they will be given options of what they can do. They can create a product, delete a product, edit a product, add a new store, view statistics for their store, import and export files, and view customer shopping carts. So for example, let's say they want to add a new store. Let's add a store called Home Goods. And the user already has the store. So we can once again enter something else. So let's say Yarn Factory. And so now the store has been created. Then the user can create a product within the store. So let's say yarn, and then to crochet with. We want to have 6 yarns, and each ball of yarn is $3.50. Okay, the product has been created. You can do other stuff. You can view statistics for the store. So then there's a couple of options within that. So let's say they want to view a list of sales by store. So you can now see that this user has 4 different stores, and Home Furniture seems to be quite successful. It has the username of the different sales, how many they ordered, and then the total costs. Let's say the user wants to view customer shopping carts, they can do that as well. And so these are the customer emails, so they can select which customer they want to view the shopping cart for. So let's say they want to view the shopping cart of buyer 1. You can see this is the shopping cart within buyer 1. They could import and export files. So let's say they want to export a file with their sales, and they can do, let's see, my sales.csv, and that will export it to them. And then once the user has finished doing all the things they would like to do within these menu options, then they can go ahead and log out, and it will display a thank you message to them.